In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos, videos, and other files from your Android phone to a Windows laptop or desktop computer. First, connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, you may see a notification on your phone. Tap Transfer Files from the USB connection options. After that, go to your computer and open File Explorer. In the left-hand panel, you'll see your Android phone listed under This PC or Devices and Drives. Click on your phone to open it. Next, open the Internal Storage folder. If you're looking for photos and videos taken with your camera, open the DCIM folder and then the Camera folder. Here, you'll find all the photos and videos stored on your phone.
Select the files you want to transfer. Right-click the selected files and choose Copy. Now, navigate to the folder on your computer where you'd like to save the files. Right-click inside the folder and select Paste. Wait for the transfer process to complete. Once finished, you'll be able to access your photos, videos, and other files directly from your computer. That's it. This is how you can transfer files from an Android phone to a Windows laptop or desktop computer using a USB cable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.